Namali Yikam Zanta, Nangai Sati, Thikse Gumbi Sunchira Wachayu, Teranga Chuso Gavitala, Chunukusa Chamgurumbuchi, Thikse Gumba Chipchi, Puitan Nidichi, Winzokanshi, Ranjanawatang, Jesus, Sajamans, Toncha Gawala, Kaloptan, Kachinza Nason.
Lada Gonzokang Nanso Kufatin Onsacho Lada Zafuku Residence of the Yuajin Onsacho took the Lada Sujasu Kopamaze Miman Namla Sunchodan Kalop and Katin Kangi Zaze Zamoto Yeman Lada Miman the subject Katin Che.
In Buddhism, something about the mind, how to develop peace of mind, not through just a prayer, but thinking. So that way, even, you see, one's own so-called enemy who create suffering to you, you can develop special compassion to them. Actually, troublemaker is best teacher of your inner strength. So in our case, in our Tibet case, we suffer a lot under Chinese communist control. But we consider it's a good opportunity to practice compassion. So very helpful. I feel Tibetan richness is firstly our language, and secondly all this translation from Nalendra Master's writing. So I think today's world, as far as knowledge about mind, about emotion, and how to develop peace of mind, is the best tradition we kept in Tibet. And language also, Tibetan language is the best language to explain about our emotion and how to develop peace of mind. So, Tibetan spirit kept with our own knowledge. So that's very important. Not a weapon, but deeper understanding about the human mind, human emotion, and keep peace of mind. So that much I want to say. At Himalayan range, people from Ladakh to Men traditionally follower of Buddha Dharma. But we can separate Buddha Dharma as a religion at a public level, and especially public who have different religion, different belief, then simply, you see, the secular way, not follow religion. So India, 1,000 years, almost all different world religion live together here in this country. Basically, very harmonious. Occasionally, little problem here and there. So now we should continue to keep secular ethics. Okay. Now some questions.
My name is Asafta Razvi. I am from Imamia Mission School. I study in 8th standard. It is my privilege to ask you this question. If we all are a part of universal consciousness, then why there are so many religions and schools of faith?
Even physical level, you see, we all love food, but different people, different taste, and different kind of food is much more useful. Similarly, food for mind, these different philosophy, very useful. So then also you see, you have the ability to sort of, or say, more deeper thinking, or this philosophy say this, that philosophy is something different. What's the reason? Investigate, further investigate. So therefore, for development of human intelligence, different philosophy, very useful. In Tibet, we study all ancient Indian different tradition, different philosophy. So in order to sharpening your mind like that. Okay.
The Janzo Ji Denji Mongu Ji Tuje Changme Mana Tanegi Ji Zazen Namshu Shuj Saudo Tuchi Shuri